Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to set nickname in Instagram chat. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Instagram app on your mobile device and simply go to the direct messages. And as you might know that Instagram does not provide a feature to change nickname or add nickname to any person individually. So if you want to add or change nickname, then you will have to create a group and you can do that. So after you create a group, you can see there is a name option available there. You can keep any name you want to and tap on the done option. Now, after that, if you don't like the name, you can simply go back to the chat again. After you tap on the chat again and go to the editing section, and there you can simply rename your group again. Now here I am adding some emojis as well. So after that, scroll back and see the name has successfully changed. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.